Alright guys, so welcome to this short video on how to use just 3 chemicals to produce lacquer thinner. So I decided to create this follow-up video for some of us that might not be having the chance to get all the other chemicals which is used for the advanced formulation of lacquer thinner. Like we always have an advanced formula and we also have the normal formula. So this is like a backup video to guide some of us, like I said, that will not be able to get those those chemicals for the advanced formula. So let's get straight into the production process. So like I said, we are only going to be using 3 chemicals. Number 1, water, 500 ml. Number 2, acetone, 100 ml. Number 3 chemical is isopropyl alcohol, 400 ml. Please take note, this production is for 1 liter of lacquer thinner. So let's go straight into the production process. Number 1, you pour in your water into your mixing bowl. Of course, you have to have a mixing bowl wide enough to contain the 1 liter mixture. So it's advisable to have a 2 liters or a 5 liters mixing bowl. Number 2, add acetone and mix very well. You have to mix very well because remember, water is our solvent for this process. So when you add your acetone, you have to make sure you use a whisk or a turning stick to stir these chemicals together. And then the last chemical is your isopropyl alcohol. You have to add and stir. Make sure you mix all these chemicals to blend together. You have to mix them to stir for at least 5 minutes. And after the stirring for 5 minutes, you pour your lacquer thinner into your 1 liter plastic container, depending on your choice of container. And I hope you find this short follow-up video useful, because I know most of times we might be having scarcity of chemicals based on location, countries. So that is why I decided to quickly do a follow-up video to enable you get the 2 formulas. And of course, for you not to have an excuse for not producing your own lacquer thinner. So thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. And please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and of course share to friends and family, those you think that would need this formulation. And don't forget to comment below. Like you all know, I like to interact with my subscribers and my students. So please drop your comments below. And remember to subscribe to our channel and keep creating till we meet in the next class. Bye for now.